course, the very latest in modern motoring. One should always dress for the occasion, shouldn't one?
Yes, darling.
Oh, my dear, I've made an exhaustive study of the internal combustion engine.
Hi guys, this is Bill from Spencer1984.com with my Halloween 2022 build, the Addams Family Limo. I figured since my theme this year is music-inspired builds, there are few TV themes more recognizable than the Addams Family. Plus, there's actually a kit that is very similar to the car used in the show. So, take a look at it here. We've got some photos of the finished build here, along with a bullet list of what's going on in the kit. Got a short description of the car. There's a portrait of it. Another bullet list over here, match the other side. More box art. And taking a look inside, first thing we've got is a chrome parts tree. It's got the wheels, top struts, the radiator, grill for the radiator. Got all of the trim pieces for the hood. The windshield frame. We've got the body here, and it's cast with the hood connected to it. Those three little dips there. Generally pretty smooth. Looks pretty good. Got the fenders here. And, this was cast back when they were using parts for parts trees. We've got the torsion bars right here in the middle. Got the firewall, cast a separate piece. Here we've got the interior bucket with the rear seat and carpet texture. We've got the front seat, the up top, the convertible boot, rear window, the luggage rack, the back of the front seat, and the top of the fuel tank. And here we've got the engine halves, running board supports, bumper, drive shaft, cross members, brake backing plates, and the rest of the engine parts. Here we've got the mainframe rails, and they've got some pretty decent detailing on them. Not really too many sink marks either, so that's good. Got the rear axle, got more engine components here. Got the front axle, got the dashboard, steering wheel, tie rod, and the spare tires. Got one tree of clear parts for the windshield, headlights, rear window, and marker lights. We've got the 4 rubber tires with recesses for the white walls. I've got 3 of the 4 white walls, but since this car has black walls on it, I'll figure something else out. And then the last thing is some 3D printed parts that I made up. Got the steel wheels and the vulture hood ornament. So, there we go. My Halloween 2022 build is officially underway now. So I'm going to get some parts painted and put together, and I will be back with an update next week. So check back then, and thanks for watching.